Hi there, in this video I want to solve the question about the Taylor series. Actually, I'm planning to open the playlist for Calculus 2, and the first topic of this is going to be Taylor series. So let's read the question. Find the Taylor series at a equals to 0 from function fx equals to cosine 2x. Justify your answer. So first of all, let's write the general formula for Taylor series. So first of all, we have to take into account that a equals to 0. So let's write like Taylor series. Okay, let's zoom a bit. Taylor series at a equals to 0 is sum where n equals to 0. Um, Here's the general formula for the Taylor series. X minus a in power n over n factorial. But since a equals to 0, so let's put a as 0. So it's going to be times 0 x power n over n factorial. So let's check for the, let's say, first six uh, numbers, values of this sum. So let's first of all make fx. Okay, it's cosine 2x, we know that. And if we take the 0 as the x as 0, so it's going to be cosinus 0, but cosinus 0 is 1. Okay, let's take the derivative of this. It's going to be minus 2 sine 2x, and the same thing is going to be, uh, since the sine uh, with 0 is going to be 0 as well. If the second derivative is going to be minus 2 square cosinus 2x. Why I didn't write the minus 4? Because it's series and I want to see how series works. So, and it's gonna be more clear if you write minus 2 square minus or 2 cube or 2 power 4 or 2 power 5 and etc. So it's gonna be minus 2 square, right? Okay. F third derivative is gonna be 2 cube sinus 2x, and if we put 0 for x is going to be 0, of course. Mm, 2 power 4 cosinus 2x is going to be 2 power 4 f x as a fixed derivative is going to be minus 2 power 5 sinus 2x, and we will get 0. And let's make one more time to be sure how it works. It's gonna be 2 power 6. No, actually minus 2, yeah. Cosinus 2x. So, according to that, our chronology, let's write the according corresponding sum. One, uh, what was the formula? Uh, since plus 0, it's nothing. And plus, okay, let's write not plus, minus, because we have minus here. So it's going to be minus 2. The formula since the n equals to 2, so we have to write 2 here. X also should be 2, and 2 factorial. Okay, plus 0 minus, not minus because there is no minus here, should be 2, plus 2 power 4 x4 over 4 factorial plus 0 minus 2 power 6 x6 divided by 4 factorial and so on. Let's write it more clear. It's gonna be 1 minus 2 square x squared 2 factorial plus 2 x. So let's write the sum representation. How we can write it? So since we have minus, if the series both with only plus, like plus 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 plus, uh, there couldn't be thing like this. But since we have minus sometimes, so we have to write minus 1 power n uh, times uh, 2. It's changed with by 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and etc. So it should be 2n over 2n factorial times x square n. Yeah, so it's our the Taylor series. It was at what? Yeah, at a is equals to 0. That's it. Thank you for attention.